Motion sensors are the backbone of automatic lighting and home security. Without them, smart home is just remote control. With them, your home reacts to you. Here are the 5 best sensors in 2026. Number 1. Philips Hue Motion Sensor. The best choice if you have Philips Hue lights. It detects both motion and ambient light, so it only triggers when the room is actually dark. It pairs directly with Hue without any additional hub and also works with other Zigbee systems. At €35, it is the most polished integration in the Hue ecosystem. Number 2. Aqara P1 Motion Sensor. The best all-around Zigbee motion sensor right now. 7-meter detection range, 170-degree horizontal field of view, and under 2 seconds from motion detected to light on. Tiny form factor that mounts cleanly in any corner. Compatible with any Zigbee coordinator, including Zigbee 2M, QTT, and ZHA. Number 3. IKEA Vallhorn. The cheapest, reliable Zigbee motion sensor available. Standard AA battery, 2-year life, pairs with the IKEA hub or any Zigbee coordinator. For hallways and bathrooms where you want auto lights at the lowest possible cost, the Vallhorn does the job. Number 4. Sonoff SNZB-03P. The updated version adds pet immunity. It ignores movement from animals under 20 kilograms while still detecting people. Zigbee 3.0 for reliable mesh connectivity. Compact and affordable at around €12. The pet immunity makes it useful for homes with cats or small dogs. Number 5. Zooz ZSE18. For Z-Wave setups, the ZSE18 is the premium choice. Z-Wave has better wall penetration than Zigbee, making this right for large homes or rooms with thick walls. It combines motion detection, temperature monitoring, and tamper detection in one small device. One motion sensor in every hallway and bathroom changes your daily experience more than almost any other smart home upgrade. Auto lights in the spaces you pass through most often removes the need for light switches entirely. Follow for more sensor recommendations every day.